How's all my real people doing out there? This is realtvw back again with another video. You guys remember that I bought my wife the Yoga, and personally, all I had was a Chromebook. And because I've been struggling with the right machine for me, I had a custom desktop. I had that XPS 13 I gave to her. I had a 15-inch gaming Asus, and that gaming Asus really made me feel like Asus was a great brand because everything worked on it. It stayed cool for a gaming laptop. It played well. It ran at 4+ gigahertz. It didn't get over 80 degrees centigrade. It was a beautiful gaming machine, but it was huge, 15 inches, way too big. I wasn't happy taking it anywhere. So I thought about it, and I was thinking, do I want this or do I want a Surface Book 313? And I don't know, I really wish I got a Surface Book 313. In the perfect world, I'd have both, but this right here, I thought was better when you add in the cost and value, okay? So here we go. This is the Asus ROG, which is the Republic of Gamers Zephyrus. This is the model, the G14. Just came in today. It comes in a black and white version. They're going with this black and white theme. The box looks pretty cool. That Yoga box was kind of plain, nothing going on. As far as the box itself, you have some scan codes. You have some details on what the machine's about. You got a nice little grab handle, a sticker to block your way, a plain black side. What is this? The usual stuff, right? But let's go ahead and crack it open because my wife thinks that you guys want to see an unboxing video. I was like, nobody cares about unboxing videos because I'm not Lou from Unbox Therapy. He's got, like, you know, the excitement and he's got the equipment. All I got's my little table. But we're going to unbox this bad boy.